What's going on, guys? It's Ricky with TechBud Solutions. Have you guys ever wondered how you can open up a brokerage account but you're under the age of 18? It's called Custodial account, and in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you how within the TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim platform, you can open up a custodial account with your parents' permission for someone that is under the age of 18. I hope that you guys enjoy. Be sure to like and subscribe if you guys haven't done so already. We do run the largest YouTube channel and the largest private Facebook group for those who invest in the stock market. I hope that this can kickstart your 2019 and start you off on a green note. Hope you guys enjoy. Hey, what's going on, team? So again, I do want to remind you that the TD Ameritrade platform is not the only platform that offers a custodial account. So going and getting started with the tdameritrade.com website, you're going to move on over to the top right-hand corner. After you click on the top right-hand corner, again, I'm going to select a series of different options that might be a little bit more directed to me. I want to make sure that you are reminded that you make sure that you read each and every single option. So right here, we're going to go ahead and start off with just saying that my name is John, my last name is Smith, and again, my email is going to be johnsmith1@gmail.com. I'm going to go ahead and copy this. I'm going to paste it here. Best date, time, phone number is going to be, let's do 480-111-1111. And extension, if I have one, great, but I don't. So I am a U.S. citizen. This is going to be the most important part out of this entire video. It's what type of account do you want to open. Again, be sure to read through all of these with your parents to make sure that's the one that's most suitable to you. But the one that you want to make sure that you select if you want this to be a custodial account is the UTMA, UGMA type of account. This is designed for those that are under the age of 18. So moving forward from that, so will you be transferring assets to this account from another UTMA or UGMA account? I'm going to select no. And again, what state are we in? I'm just going to put that we're in Arizona. And again, what type of trading or investing am I going to want to be doing? I'm going to select, let's just actually select buy and holds and stuff like that. So are you new to investing? Yes, you don't have to have a promo code there, and just click I have read everything and continue from that point. And then we can move on to page number 2, right? This is where we're going to enter the personal information of the custodian, which means of the adult, right? So right here, we're going to enter 123 way, and then the city is going to be Chandler, and then I'm going to select Arizona, and then the zip code is going to be 85212, whatever it is, right? So date of birth is going to be 0101, and let's just say I'm 1950. And then here we go. So security numbers are going to be 123456789. Hope you guys don't steal my identity. Marital status, I am single as a Pringle. Number of dependents, I have 1, and it's myself. Just kidding, that means 0. But again, I don't have any dependents. I'm just going to put 1 for the video. Employment status, I'm going to put that I'm self-employed. It's going to be my LLC. Occupation, I'm an accountant today. I'm an accounting, perfect. Business employer address, 123 East Way, Chandler. Here we go. Arizona, what did I put? 85212, I think. Perfect. Here we go. I'm just going to put this. Again, we want to make sure that you select it according to yours. I'm just going to put no and no. And then, here we go. I'm going to put it as a gift, and then as a gift as well. Boom. We're still page 2. This is the minor's contact info. So this is going to be John Smith Jr., but we're just going to put John Smith. Let's put it Junior. Boom. There we go. Again, he's a U.S. citizen. Same, so I'm gonna put that it's as the same date of birth. It's gonna be 0101, but instead he was just born a couple years later. And we're gonna do 123456799. Perfect. Marital status, let's hope he's single. Mother's maiden name, we're gonna put Juanita. Here we go. Student, approximate, no, and no, and then continue. There we go. Thank you, John. Let's make sure that we got everything correct. Just going to verify everything between you and your parents, making sure that everything is correct in this page. Moving on to page number 3. Again, no. We would like to keep it the same, so we're going to move on over and make sure that everything stays the same. I think they were trying to correct me. So again, by checking this box, I acknowledge everything. Make sure that you read through all this, making sure that you do acknowledge all the fine print. This is FDIC secured. Make sure that you learn what the FDIC means. It insures up to $500,000 per depositor. We're going to go ahead and click continue and move on from there. Again, we can go ahead and click print application. After you click print application, the little button's going to turn green. You can click continue, and those are the final steps. Now you can go home to the home page and actually we'll submit all the paperwork if they're asking you to send it, they give you an address there. But that's really just it. Again, in the next 5 minutes, we just showed you how you can open a custodial account for someone that's under the age of 18. The really cool thing about this is, again, if you want them to have a free way and learning more about the stock market, I do want to remind you that I do run the largest YouTube channel and I do run the largest free private Facebook group for those who invest in the stock market. It's called Technical Solutions. We have a little bit over 178,000 members within our free Facebook group. We offer a free Discord chat, so once you get accepted, just click the first link here. It'll bring you on over to our free Discord chat where we work together every single day and talk about the top trending stocks and best practices. On top of that, I upload normally 2 videos a day, mainly about investing in the stock market or different things that I have going on about, maybe my McLaren 720S, my buddy that just bought a Corvette, or my Maserati or my GTR and stuff like that. So again, I do upload daily videos. If you want to stay connected and stay more up to date with how the market is doing and how I'm doing as an investor, be sure to click that like button. Be sure to subscribe. If you want to learn a little bit more about who it is that I am and how I became one of the youngest millionaires here in Arizona, be sure to watch a couple of my videos. I do have a couple of popular videos with a couple 100,000 views. Some are fun, some are a little bit more educational. You can see kind of like a day in life, my story and stuff like that that I've talked about before. If you guys want to take trading to the whole next level and actually watch me trade live every single day, we have this link. It's going to be right on the second link of the Facebook group, and this will bring you on over right over to our Learn Plan Profit page where you can learn a little bit more about what the course has to offer, learning everything in a very structured way and how to get started. On top of that, you also get access to watching me trade live every single day. If you guys want to get a taste and a sneak peek of what it's like to watch me trade live, be sure to go on over to this page, click this video, and it will show you what it's like to watch me trade live, not once a week, not once a month, but every single day the market is open. I also do want to remind you guys that we are hosting our free live trading session this December 28th. So if you want to watch me trade live for free, make sure that you save your spot. It's going to be that first link for you in the description. Not only will you be able to save your spot for our free live trading session, which means that on Friday, December 28th, you'll be able to watch me trade live in the stock market and see me buy and sell stocks and ask me questions in real time. But on top of that, after you fulfill and enter your name and email for the free live trading session, we will send you to our second page where we are going to be flying out one lucky member for 2 days, all expenses paid, to Arizona to spend time with me and the TechBuds team, not only show you guys our lifestyle, but on top of that, our work ethic that has allowed us to generate millions of dollars in all the different businesses that we run. I really do appreciate your guys' time. Again, be sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Be sure to drop a thumbs up. Be sure to share this video with someone that you think that would benefit from this. And most importantly, guys, I hope you guys have a beautiful Christmas and an amazing New Year. Thank you guys again for your time. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.